what's up? So this is a crop circle, as we see. I believe these are signs from a higher intelligence or even an extra dimensional being. We don't know. But if you put points at the very center of the four outer circles and make a square, that square is the same exact area of this inner circle. Okay, so this crop circle is literally a lesson, and it's to square the circle. Okay. This is from a cool crop circle documentary I saw on Gaia.com. Definitely worth the subscription. And what's interesting is that the actual measurements of the Earth and the Moon, just when you put them together, this circle with the Earth combined with the Moon at the very center, as you can see, that circle is the same exact area as the square around the perimeter of Earth. Okay, so even the Earth and the Moon relationship itself is a lesson, is showing us how to square the circle, which once again is well beyond nature's scope. There's some very much intelligent design here. I'm not saying God could have done it or aliens, but it's intelligent either way. And so we see the let's take a look. So the 50-40 is from the center of the Moon to the center of the Earth, while 79-20 is the top of the Moon to the very bottom of the Earth. Okay, so those are the two measurements that help us square the circle. And of course, you can see the diameter of the Moon is 2160 miles, which is incredibly important because it's that exact amount of years in the great Platonic year, precession of the equinox, Hamlet's mill, the zodiac. 12 times 2160 is 25,920, and that's, the great year. Anyway, so we see these numbers, 50-40 miles, which again is the center points of each, the center of the Moon to the center of the Earth, versus 79-20, which is the top of the Moon to the top of the Earth. You get those numbers by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 50-40. The second one just happens to be 8, 9, 10, 11. It didn't skip a number. So these numbers in sequential order are part of the code of how to square a circle. It's kind of cool. And you see them again, 504 and 792. Just put a 0.0. Same exact thing, same values basically. And 504 are standing up, and then 792 are flattened. Once again, this crop circle is a lesson. It's not only a lesson in beauty and mathematics, and all that stuff. It's showing us how to square the circle. So this is another crop circle whose clear lesson is how to square a circle. Okay, because of these two exact values they provided. Okay, it's like Karl Marx the code. It's all connected. The aliens know about the code. The people who wrote about the code know about the aliens. Like, they probably had crop circles back then too. Anyway, so one of the hardest things in math, like this is a very known difficult challenge, using just a compass and a ruler to square the circle. And of course the Freemasons have a huge symbolic thing about that, and 90-degree angles, of course. But yeah, so because they know the ancient extraterrestrial civilizations also knew about these sacred things, and that kind of helps you realize other parts of reality. It's like a stepping stone to other parts of sacred geometry, etc. Anyway, that's this video. Plenty more coming right up.